Good morning, folks. It is June 11th. I know our trailer renovation videos have been sporadic. We have got a project that's just now completed for Nexxtleft. That has been the main focus of our lives recently. It almost ended up to be a hit show. I'll leave off the S. We had our client coming by, and the night before the client came by, Corey flushed the commode and noticed a gurgle. We knew that we had our septic pump and were due to get a new drain field, but it was full again. We were paranoid that our clients were going to come into our house, use our restroom, and the tub fill up with crap because our septic backs up. But it made it okay, which is great. Then we had a wonderful storm that brought lots and lots and lots of rain. So now we have a leak in the kitchen. So life has been hitting us hard lately, but in spite of that, I have still begun to paint the back of the camper. Now we're going for an aged theme. So the silver that I've painted on, I've already aged, and there is going to be this beautiful compass here in the corner. And then I'll put some wording up here that I will show you later. But today I'm going to be working on the compass and trying to get that painted out and looking beautiful. So I've got it sketched on and I am about to get ready painting. I've got my paint set up over here and I'll get to mixing, and all of this is 2-part automotive paints. So they should hold up pretty well to the weather, and then we'll end up clear coating it all after. Well, folks, it is June 12th. Tomorrow will be Friday the 13th, and it'll be 9 months that we've had the camper. I am almost done with the back of the camper. We've got our compass facing due north and always an adventure. In the blue strip above will be the Calamita. Calamita with the accent point means the calamity, but without the accent point, it references magnets, sort of like those that are in a compass. And we were definitely drawn to this camper. It turned out to be different than what we thought it was going to be, but this is where we are now. So, and yeah, it's been a calamity around here. Either today or tomorrow, we will be being visited both by a roofer and a person who's going to get us a new drain field into our septic tank. So in addition to this calamity, we have several calamities going on inside our home. But I'm feeling at least a little successful about this right here. But as we always say,
always an adventure.
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.